We aim to be a high-performing organisation that develops and applies knowledge to influence public bodies so they provide better value for money. This video explains our strategy to achieve these aims over the next 3 years. There are huge changes in how public services are delivered. Reduced budgets mean that public services are having to do more with less. People working in the public sector have got to develop new skills and manage new ways of delivering services. They've got to centralise and professionalise some strategic functions while devolving other parts of their work. These challenges being faced by the bodies we audit are driving our strategy for 2013 to 16. Our job is to help Parliament to hold government to account for its use of taxpayers' money. We do this through our financial audit of government accounts and our value for money studies. Each financial audit or value for money investigation shows us the strengths and weaknesses of the bodies we audit. This client insight helps us to understand and improve performance. We're helping public bodies to manage risk. Our audit work examines key strategic themes and cross-cutting issues across government, including financial management, efforts to reduce cost, the use of information and ICT, and the capability of public bodies to implement policies in a cost-effective way. And as the public sector becomes more decentralised, for example by contracting with the private and third sectors to provide services, we'll examine whether these new ways of working provide value for money too. We've always worked with central government bodies and know them well. The government is now changing how local bodies are audited. Subject to parliamentary approval, we expect to become responsible for setting a code of audit practice for local authorities from 2015-16. Many of our studies already have a local dimension. We're now working with local government so that our approach will really benefit the sector as well as users of local public services. Our work leads to more effective scrutiny of government by Parliament. Our reports to the Committee of Public Accounts, usually known as PAC, support their hearings into the value for money of public spending. We are also starting to contract parliamentarians more widely so that our knowledge and expertise is recognised by those who can use it. Of course, if we're advising government bodies what to do, we must also practice what we preach ourselves. So we're continuing to reduce our own costs. Our target in 2013-14 is to save another £2.7 million. We are on target to achieve this by making our audit work and our corporate services more efficient and by subletting space in our London office. None of this would be possible without our staff. The NAO is committed to your development and well-being and to making use of your full range of skills. Our recent staff survey highlighted areas for improvement, and we're committed to making positive changes in these areas. Everyone in the NAO plays a role in delivering this strategy. Please take the opportunity to discuss with your managers how you and your team can contribute to its success. If you'd like to read the document in full, search NAO Strategy in Merlin.